Hi everyone! In this video, you will learn how to make the Rosette sprinkle cake. Start by filling and base icing a double layer cake with purple buttercream. Add the side texture by gently gliding the tip of your spatula while you spin your turntable. Next, top the cake with 12 tall rosettes using the 1M tip. Now we add the pastel sprinkle mixture to the top of the cake. It is easier to first add a mound of sprinkles to the middle and then spread them out towards the rosettes. And finally, add the sprinkle mix to the base of the cake. The pastel mixture is made up of equal parts pastel quins, jumbo pastel quins, blue and pink pearls, and assorted pastel colored jimmies. And now, the Rosette sprinkle cake is complete. Thanks for watching.